We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the Spark Catch Light Up Baseball. This product is designed to enhance baseball practice and play by lighting up on impact, making nighttime games more exciting and visible. The ball features impact-activated LED lights that glow whenever the ball is thrown or caught, adding a fun visual element to traditional catch games. It automatically turns off after play to save battery life, which is a convenient feature appreciated by many users. The baseball is crafted with genuine cowhide leather and handmade stitches, meeting official size and weight standards, which gives it an authentic feel similar to a regular baseball. It has passed durability tests for 1,000 pitches at 75 miles per hour, certified by an international organization, indicating a strong build quality suitable for regular use in catching and throwing. The product is marketed as a perfect gift for boys and teens ranging from 6 to 16 years old, ideal for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. It comes ready to use with an included A23 battery and a commemorative coin for opening the battery compartment. However, it is important to note that this baseball is designed strictly for playing catch and not for batting practice, as hitting it could damage the internal components. Users generally praise the Spark Catch Baseball for its bright, long-lasting glow and the fun it brings to evening play sessions. Many parents and kids have found it especially useful for extending practice time beyond sunset, providing a unique way to keep kids engaged and active. The glow effect is described as bright and visually appealing, with some users purchasing multiple balls to create a glowing game experience with friends or teammates. The quality of materials and the feel of the ball also receive positive remarks, with some users noting that it performs well even after heavy use on rough surfaces like concrete. On the downside, the battery and switch design receive mixed reviews. The ball includes a coin-operated compartment to access the battery, which some find secure and reassuring because it prevents the battery from falling out during play. However, the on-off switch is located inside this compartment and is described as tiny, awkwardly placed, and difficult to operate. This design makes it challenging for children to turn the ball on or off independently, often requiring adult assistance. Some users express frustration that the ball does not light up on impact or catch as the advertising might imply. Instead, the light stays on continuously until manually turned off. This has led to some disappointment, especially for younger kids who expected the ball to react dynamically during play. There is also a call from users for improvements such as an external recessed switch or a rechargeable battery system with a USB port. These changes would make the ball easier to use and more environmentally friendly by reducing the need for frequent battery replacements. Despite these usability issues, customer service is noted to be responsive and helpful, assisting users with setup problems and battery installation. Durability is another aspect where the Spark Catch Baseball stands out compared to similar products. It features a shock absorber around the internal components, protecting the LED lights and battery from damage during impact. This makes it more reliable than other light-up balls that tend to break quickly. Several users report solid performance after weeks of nighttime play, highlighting the ball's ability to withstand the rigors of regular use. In summary, the Spark Catch Light Up Baseball is a well-made, fun accessory for baseball enthusiasts who want to enjoy the game after dark. It excels in delivering bright illumination and durability, making it a great tool for practice and play in low-light conditions. The main drawbacks lie in the internal on-off switch and battery replacement mechanism, which could be improved for better ease of use, especially for younger players. If you are looking for a unique gift or a way to extend baseball practice into the evening, this ball offers a novel and exciting option. Make sure to purchase the version with the on-off switch for added convenience, and be prepared to assist younger children with battery changes and switching the ball on and off. We encourage anyone who owns this product to leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description below, and using it supports our channel.